math used in embroidery. Embroidery is an art that blends creativity with mathematical precision. From symmetrical patterns to intricate stitch designs, math plays a crucial role in ensuring that embroidery projects are balanced, proportionate, and visually appealing. Let's explore the role of math in embroidery. Embroidery uses math in patterns and symmetry. Embroidery designs often follow geometric patterns, repeating shapes, and symmetrical motifs. Artists use symmetry, reflection, and rotation to create balanced and harmonious stitchwork. Grid systems and measurement. Embroidery fabric, such as Ida cloth, is designed with a grid-like structure. Math helps in counting stitches, determining the placement of patterns, and maintaining even spacing throughout the design. Scaling and proportions. When resizing a pattern, embroiderers use mathematical ratios to enlarge or shrink designs while maintaining accuracy. A design scaled up by a factor of 2 means each stitch must be placed at twice the original spacing. Angles and stitch direction. Certain stitches, like satin stitches or herringbone stitches, require precise angle calculations to maintain uniformity and avoid distortion. The angle of stitches affects the texture and final appearance of the design. Thread length and material usage. Mathematical calculations ensure efficient use of thread by estimating the required length for different stitch types. This prevents waste and ensures the embroidery project is completed without running out of materials. Mathematical principles applied. Symmetry and geometry create balanced and visually appealing designs. Grid and measurement calculations help in precise stitch placement. Scaling and ratios maintain the accuracy of resized patterns. Angles and directional calculations ensure smooth and even stitches. Estimation and optimization prevent material waste and improve efficiency. From intricate floral patterns to complex cross-stitch designs, mathematics is woven into the fabric of embroidery, making it both an art and a science of precision and creativity.